Hey guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install Spicify onto your Spotify client. And for those of you that don't know what Spicify is, it's a method that you can use to install custom themes and extensions to Spotify, and it also supports adding custom JavaScript. And so today I'm going to be showing you how to install it onto Windows. And so yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here I am on a brand new installation of Windows 11, and I have just a generic Spotify installation right here. And so we could just get rid of that because honestly, in my opinion, the default Spotify is kind of boring. And so what you're going to want to do is open up the first link in the description, and that should take you to the Spicify getting started page. And what you're going to want to do is copy these two lines here. You can just click on the little copy button right here, and then go ahead to your start menu and type in power. And then PowerShell should be the first option here. Just click run as administrator, and then click yes on the pop-up that comes up here. And then you're just going to let that load up. And then to paste the lines, you're just going to want to right click and it'll paste and get started. And then this could take a bit of time depending on your internet. So I'll just be back when this is done. Okay, so once that's done, it will automatically queue up the next line and you're just going to want to push enter for that. And then what this one does is it installs the Spicify marketplace, which just makes it a lot easier to install your themes and extensions. Okay, so once that's installed, your Spicify should be installed. So you can just go ahead and close out of the PowerShell window. And then you can minimize your browser for now. And if we go ahead and open up Spotify, come on, there we go. It should just look the same. However, there will be a new tab on the side called Marketplace. If you want to open that, here you'll see all the extensions that you can install. There's a lot of them. Volume percent is pretty nice. It shows a percentage instead of just having the default line. And then at the top, there's more options that you can go through. There's themes, which obviously it's in the title. This is where you can install themes. And then there's snippets, which I don't really know what this does. And then there's apps. And then there's the installed, which you can just manage all of your installed extensions and themes. And so if we go back to the theme sections, you can just scroll through here. There's plenty to choose from. And for this demonstration, I'll just install the Nord, which looks pretty nice. And yeah, honestly, that looks a lot better than default Spotify. So for any reason, if you want to uninstall Spicify, it's not that hard. It's kind of similar to the way that we installed it. So if you just want to go ahead and open up the second link in the description, it'll take you to the uninstallation page of the Spicify documents. And then once again, you'll copy these three lines, but this time you'll click the copy button here. But this time it will uninstall Spicify, obviously. And so then you can just go ahead and open up a new PowerShell window. And you want to do that as administrator again. Click yes on the user account control, let that load, and then just hit right click. That'll restore your Spotify, and it will also just remove the directories. And that's it. Your Spotify should be reset. And yep, it's back to normal. Alright, so that's basically everything I wanted to go over in this video. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, drop them in the comments below. And if you want to see a Mac installation video, just let me know in the comments and I'll try and get that out for you. And yeah, thanks for watching.